click, 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 click. Hi. The reason why I'm doing that click, click, click. We bought a shark hoover the other day from, I think it was directly from Shark themselves. And when you put it on charge, it makes this like clicking noise. So I thought that doesn't sound right. So I phoned up their customer services, 20 minutes on hold to speak to somebody. And the response was, "Oh, we've not heard that before. We've not had that before." So rather than sending somebody out, an engineer or whatever, I've got to make a video to then send it via an email to them, and I've absolutely no idea what they're going to do about it. Shark's customer service is meant to be absolutely fantastic and brilliant. I can't say I'm exactly impressed so far. Does your, I'm just also doing this video really for just see whether your shark hoovers do make it like a clicking noise when it's charging up. With that, obviously, it's got lights at the side of it that sort of flash and go up, and I don't think it's that. So what I'm wondering is it a fault with the shark hoover? Please let me know if you can leave a comment on this. That'd be really appreciated. Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.